Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business presentation slide using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set the slide size so everything feels structured and calm. I place my image and duplicate the layer to keep the original safe. Now I open Camera Raw filter and slowly introduce film grain. I pause here because business slides need clarity, not distraction. I lower the grain amount and gently increase the size for a soft texture. I zoom in to check text areas and make sure nothing feels noisy. I zoom out and feel the balance of the slide. Now I add business heading text and align it with confidence. The slide feels professional, emotional, and ready for business.